All right, guys. This person or people pouring salt on your life isn't helping them to hide the truth. Okay, something about this. I was saying something about you guys. You got a salty ass person that's around you. Okay, um, and it's because somebody got bad character. Okay, their character is awful. They don't like to see people win. They don't celebrate other people. Like, they're always throwing negative comments. It's like, why can't you clap for somebody else when they winning, but somebody just loves pouring salt on you? Okay, and it's like, okay. So when you pull back, like I said, this even could be somebody that you dealing with. You're like, you a certified hater, ain't you? Like, what's going on? Something about this? Um, yeah. Yeah, I don't get the concept of not celebrating others. I like to celebrate others. I'm going to congratulate them. This is like, okay, say that you're doing something in your own city where you come from, right? And I see some people like from my own city going through this. Nobody wants to support them whatsoever. And it's like, why don't you want to support them? Like, what is the problem? But you'll go out here and support a complete stranger, but not somebody you grew up with. You see what I'm saying? You and your people, y'all could be noticing this. Like, damn, like, okay, I didn't know that this is how we roll. But y'all, that's what literally is going on. Okay? Um, and behind the scenes, like, they're pouring salt all over whatever you're doing here. Okay? But there is some truth that's about to come out, and I guess they think shining the light on you is gonna stop the truth from coming out, but that's not what's happening here. But like I said, some of y'all could be your own city you live in. Okay, you're working on a project, you're trying to get everybody in the community come together, do something here, and you got people that don't want to do this. They don't want to support you. They could care less whatever you have going on, right? Um, Oh, y'all know what Spirit just said. Some of y'all could be throwing a back to school bash, and the same people that don't even support you gonna show up, and you could be doing this for your whole city, and like you about to see some people that you know don't even like you, but they coming out there to get the stuff that you bought for the kids. Okay, something about, and you're not gonna say anything, cause see, y'all remember the same people that walk all over you will need you one day, and this could be like that situation, right? Where you're giving back to the community and to the children or something here, and somebody gonna be out there. See, y'all, people forget the hand that fed them, okay? And see, that's what's going on with Big Daddy Saturn. He about to show some people that same hand that you over there biting and you doing things to is the same hand that fed you when your own people wouldn't feed you, right? That's something about this, okay? Oh, child, listen now. Mm. I seen a few posts where there's some people saying, "Oh, you went to that Chris Brown concert, but now it's back to school, and now you asking for some stuff, some kind of resources for them kids." Okay, something about this. What I say about priorities? Make sure your priorities in order. Okay. Yeah, something about this. Okay, y'all. Let's get a prayer. Beloved ancestral spirit guys, to the Most High God, I call on Archangel Michael for protection. Anybody seeing anything physically, mentally, emotionally, or spiritually, please block and blind them. I call back our energy and send theirs back with full forgiveness in all forms to the universe at this time. Thank you to the Most High God. Yeah, spirit saying sometimes it'll be your own community. Child, they will be over there and they will just be talking and dogging you and doing this and doing that. And then when they see you doing a community event, and it's like, oh yeah, they just think they're better than us and the blah blah blah. But you the one that put the community event together for some people here. And it's like, how do I think I'm better than you whenever I see our fucking community struggling and needing things? So I reach out to some resources that I have and I want to come and give back, but you always got 444 protection. This is why you being protected, what you're doing here, and keep doing it. Okay, don't let them haters stop you. Okay, like that's like I tell y'all, don't stop telling your story, because today That could be somebody's survival guide. Just because the next piece of shit over here don't like what you have to say, don't matter, right? Like, let these people sit in they salty ass ways because they got ugly characters. That's why. Y'all, it don't make no sense. How people can sit up and just be so just salty and mad and angry. What about them children that don't have that parent there? And them mothers really need that, or them fathers really need that help, and y'all really be out here, and it's like, do you know what it's like to struggle having children? Some people need to sit down and shut up, okay? Because some of y'all got support systems, some of y'all don't even know what it's like to have to worry about another mouth that you have to feed, like, because when you're a parent, you literally have to worry about not only yourself, but however many children that you got here, right? And it's like, somebody don't get this shit. 555, there's a change here. There's a Queen of Swords in reverse over here that needs to sit down and shut the fuck up, okay? How you even know? You don't know the struggles, okay? Somebody's just cold and calculated and always got something and doing this and doing that. The Lovers, okay? Yeah. This could be somebody's lover here. They're like, well, that ain't my problem, blah, blah. Listen, if you're with somebody here and you got kids and it's time to go back to school or whatever, and they like, oh, well, that ain't my problem. You know we a package deal, right? We come together. So, like, cool. Okay, that's fine. Y'all, somebody here is very cold and calculated. The only reason they got with you is because you get those benefits. Some of y'all could live in Section 8. Now, motherfucker, this is a hobo relationship. That's the only reason that person's there is because they need a place to live. They ain't there because they like you or they want to be with you. Somebody literally is there because they need a couch or a bed to sleep on. And they need your food stamp card. Okay, I don't know who I'm talking to today. Somebody needs your credit card. And yeah, somebody ain't got no balance and they ain't being protected. Some of y'all women need to protect yourself from men like this, okay? Because that's what they do. They go around and they take advantage of single mothers that's out here. You already having to live in these circumstances. And you trying to go to school, you already working, you trying to get your kids up out of these neighborhoods and everything else. Don't let no hobo-ass man come and drag you down. Because that's what some of them do, okay? That's what this karmic collective, and some of y'all could be figuring this shit out, and then they over here sleeping with somebody else, and you like, well, go take your ass over there. Yeah. Another way you could look at this is this what somebody is cheating on you with? Some chick that lives in Section 8 over here. Okay, and you're like, you have boundaries, you have standards. You're like, listen, you gotta go to work, and somebody's like, nah, I ain't going to work. They gonna go over here and lay up on this Queen of Swords in reverse. Okay, well, somebody needs to go on and go do that then, and get away from you and stop using you and taking advantage of you. You see what I'm saying? There's something going on here during this Saturn retrograde, and somebody finna get their ass handed to them. Okay, something's, yeah. And y'all, all these scenarios is real life, okay? And the way that this economy is going, y'all, it's hard out here. People barely paying their rent. So if you got some kind of leech that's trying to latch on to you, and yeah, you need to protect yourself, okay? I'm just saying, you need to protect yourself. There's nothing wrong with you having to live where you're living, but it's a problem when somebody comes in and thinks they can suck off those resources. Okay, I just heard, well, you don't have to pay the full rent, so I can stay here with you. You getting this for free, you getting that for free, and everything else. This is somebody's mindset, though. They feel like they can come in and take advantage of you, and then they want to down you and dog you because you have this over here. Somebody don't understand that when you go in there and do that paperwork, there's certain things and certain rules you have to follow, and they've never done that paperwork, so they don't get it. Y'all, this is a fatality, man. Somebody is over here trying to dog somebody to make sure that they have a place to live or something here. And it's like, who are you talking to like that? Like, no, you can get your ass up out of here, okay? Something is going on here. Y'all, we struggling in this economy. Do not let somebody bully you like this. This is like, I'm going to bully you because I can stay here. I can do what I want to. No, the fuck you can't. You finna go. Yeah, there's about to be a change because somebody can't juggle you. Okay? Mm-hmm. And y'all, somebody got an STI here, okay? Because somebody has been sleeping with somebody, possibly in the neighborhood or doing something here, and like somebody is carried. There's a carrier. There, thank you. I can't even get it out of my mouth. Somebody is a carrier here. Yeah. Cruelty. And baby, somebody going against the universe, and if somebody been treating you like this, and things like this, stay out of their way because yeah, this King of Wands. Oh, hot dick here. Listen now. Uh-huh. He thinks that he's surgical with this. He thinks he got some shit figured out. Now he ain't got, and he not communicating something. But it ain't no illusion, okay? Yeah, baby, listen now. No. I heard wherever you been over there poking and laying up and getting your STI, that's where you need to go. Cause somebody took a fishy cup here, okay? Mm. Ladies and gentlemen, protect yourself. I could be talking to a masculine or a feminine energy. I don't know who or what you're dealing with here, but do not let somebody come in and treat you any kind of way. Because the reality is, this is a hobo relationship, friendship, something here. Somebody don't have nowhere to go. They don't have nobody. They don't have anything. That's why they think that they can come in and try to bully you. You're being kind to somebody right now that don't give two shits about you. And possibly even your kids, okay? Yeah. I was talking to a mother the other day. I was like, man, it's hard to have grown kids, but you don't never know what they're going through, and you don't want to meddle in their business. So, like, when my son calls and be like, hey, mom, I'm coming over, my couch is available. It sure is. And it will always be available because of what's going on in these streets. And my kid's not ever, I'm not trying to see my kid on some t-shirt or news report here. Because there's somebody else over here in the background telling me, oh, I don't like that. Oh, this. I don't give a fuck what you don't like. Listen now. My child ain't finna be out here on the damn news. What the hell? If I can prevent my child from going somewhere where they don't trust or whatever the case may be, yeah. Something about, like, somebody is cold, baby. Listen, the Chariot. Somebody been stopped dead in their tracks for whatever they're doing here, okay? And the divine is stepping in here. Spirit saying somebody cold and calculated and a carrier of something here. Somebody could be carrying demons as well, okay? And they got something on them. And child, somebody need to go and take that back to the same thing that they got it from, okay? Something about this. Yeah, you got the wheel of, man, their wheel of fortune is in reverse. The devil is in the details and interference. Like I said, something about the weekend. Somebody could have some plans to go somewhere or do something, and it's to go be with this person, okay? And it's like, oh, okay. When somebody comes back around you, you're gonna pay. I'm telling you, the energy gonna be way off because somebody is going to plan to go do something here, okay? And I feel like with the Chariot, something here could happen, okay? And it's because they going to betray you, okay? Because somebody's already, I heard, grooming their next victim, their next place where they gotta sleep. Okay, I don't know what's going. Something is happening here. Okay, so yeah, split up, break up, divorce, or y'all, this has already happened, and you gonna come in the comments and say, "VG, I already went through this." Hell to the no, that door's already closed. Okay, y'all just take it where it resonates. Love you.